there was an interesting discussion around blockchain being the savior for AI because of the fear that AI has the potential as it grows and it's embedded in more places and it becomes more intelligent to obviously be making decisions that we don't know about. And so having a more transparent technology that sort of underpins it so that we have more understanding of where decisions have been made, how they've been made, is an interesting area. And I think I could quite easily see blockchain playing a part in the future of AI, actually in reverse what we were saying just there. And look, you can't pin your hopes on one thing. Blockchain is not going to be the savior of AI. It's never going to be one thing. Some people putting all their hopes on that is certainly not the right approach. There's a combination of things that need to happen. Regulation and oversight, some transparency and the ability to audit it, thoughtful approach, going into the right areas, how we manage the growth of AI, because you think in a capitalist society as well, the drivers for companies to make money and profit are extremely high. Yeah. Now with AI, the risk of pushing down the wrong route, which isn't going to benefit society or people, becomes quite great, doesn't it? This is what people are really afraid of. There's huge upsides, but also there's some sort of big downsides as well, particularly the systems we've got right now. Would you vote for an AI prime minister or president? Before you say yes or no, imagine that an AI prime minister could have a one-on-one conversation with everybody in the country to understand what they wanted, their views, their fears, their challenges, their psychology, and amalgamate all that information and build policies and structures that would benefit the highest number of people. Interesting thought experiment, right?
It's a great question.
Imagine this. So you're part of a DAO and there's an AI algorithm that can go and talk to every member of that DAO and find out what they want, find out how they would vote, and find out where they want the organization to head and what's important to them, and can amalgamate all of those interests, discussions, viewpoints into something coherent to suggest a way forward. Now that's interesting all of a sudden. That now takes DAOs onto a different level. So I do think AI has a big role to play in terms of organizational structures, again, as a co-pilot rather than handing over all power straight away.